Hello everyone, this is Craig with Time Consuming Watches. Today we're going to be unboxing something I'm super excited about, the Baltic Hermétique Glacier. Pronunciation check on that, it's French. Hermetic, we'll just say Hermetic for this video. As you can see, it hasn't been opened. I just got it not too long ago. It says it was resealed for inspection, so that means they had to open it up, see what's in there. I also ordered a bracelet from them. So the story with this, I actually ordered it on obviously the day it launched. There's only 200 pieces, and it sold out very quickly. I was kind of hesitating. I was looking at it for like 20 minutes or so, and it sold out like soon after that. So I added it to my cart with, I swear I put on the Beads of Rice bracelet with the white FKM strap in the cart separately to buy, so I had both. But and then I checked out, and for some reason it was on the watch had the FKM strap by default, and I had the FKM strap in my cart as well. So I bought two white FKM straps. Anyway, so I just reordered. I reordered the bracelet. I got it on the strap because you couldn't buy it anymore on the Beads of Rice bracelet. Long story short, great service. Baltic refunded the FKM white strap, and everything was good. Anyway, let's get into this. We got our little Milwaukee fastback blade here. The reason I'm so excited about this is, one, I saw pictures of it, and it was just beautiful. I was like just taken by the dial. Also, I haven't bought a watch. I haven't purchased a watch in a really long time. Sorry, I'm looking over my camera here to do this, so it's not the best dexterity. The last watch I bought, wristwatch check, is this Tudor Black Bay 58. As you can see, I have it on the Forstner Jubilee bracelet. Very nice bracelet. Back in 2022, probably like May or so. So it's been quite a while. So as you can see, we got to that inspection tape there. And I was going to keep it that way. I wasn't going to buy a watch for a long time. I was just saving up for something kind of crazy, like an Omega Speedmaster or some type of Rolex. But once I saw this, I was like, I got to have it. And it kind of fit what I wanted too. I wanted something that wasn't crazy expensive. Yeah, I know it's not, I won't say cheap. It's more affordable though. It's, I think after everything in US dollars, it was like 720 something. So, I wanted something I could travel with that's water resistant, and this has a 150 meters of water resistance, I believe. Yep, 150 meters. Wow, so you can see it comes in this kind of cool marbled case. Let's get this box out of the way. Sorry for the camera shake. It's a cool marbled case that kind of must be playing on the Glacier theme. I haven't actually seen any other unboxings of a Baltic, but I was excited to get this out because I haven't seen this watch in any videos besides their kind of launch material. Well, that's a cool looking box there. We'll just leave that over here. That looks cool. All right, well, we have something right here. It says Baltic. Let's see what's in there. Nice little envelope, kind of similar to the bracelet. We'll open that later, and we'll probably show you both of those on. Okay, so this is I think they called it like a black canvas strap, but I think it's silicone if I'm not mistaken. Let me kind of look at what they call it here. I don't really know what they basically it's the default strap that it comes with, if I'm not mistaken, like most of their watches. It's like a canvas looking. It's definitely silicone though. It's nice. So this has a 20 millimeter lug width, which is pretty, there's lots of straps in that size. So we'll set that aside. We'll kind of check it out on everything. And you can see here another box. Kind of cool texturing on that. And you can see some type of manual in here. Guarantee in there. Let's just get everything out. We'll do a full unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to show all that. I don't know how much it matters for this, but I'll be smart. Kind of nice thick card here. International guarantee. Assume most stuff you have to do in-house with them. This is some type of, that's cool. They did some type of testing on it on the rate. Plus 0.12. I hope that's 0.01 second a day. That would be nice. That's pretty good. It has a Miyota, to touch on that, it has a Miyota 9039 movement, which is kind of a workhorse movement. So this is just kind of a manual going into the history. I'm not going to read all that for you, but you can pause that and read that if you want. Honestly, I didn't do that much research on the watch when I bought it. I just know of them, and I know they're a very popular micro brand in the scene right now. And I saw the dial, and I was like, I want that. It's cheap. I wanted something I could travel with, like I said, that I wouldn't be, I said cheap, but affordable, that I could travel with and not care too much about, and use it with water and everything. And look at that. We still got some, let's get it out of the box completely. We'll set it right there. Let's get the boxes kind of cleaned up here. Wow. And there's a little bit of plastic on there, so I'm going to get that off if I can. Little peel action for you. Doesn't make any noise. So they limited to 200 pieces for the black and the white dial. I really wanted the white dial. That just really captured me. Focus. Now just look at the texture on that. I love how the crown is kind of flush with the outside of the case there. I like the syringe hands. I'm a dentist, by the way, so that's kind of cool. Reminds me of my syringes. So this is going to be kind of like a first impressions video, but so far from what I see, I really like it. The case size is 37 millimeters, so we'll see how that compares to the 39 millimeter Black Bay, if that helps anyone. But let's get it off this cushion and start getting it on the wrist and checking it out. Get it completely undone. So yeah, like I said, I opted for I wanted this strap, the FKM strap. They call it white, but it honestly looks more beige to me. But it looks good. It's a really good combo. Hopefully that picks up on camera, but that looks a lot more beige than white to me. But it looks a little more white in their pictures as well. But all right, let's get it on the wrist. So I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist. If that helps anyone there. Let's get it on. It's got several holes there for strapping it down. Let's get that off there. Wow, that wears really nice. I love the way it wears. I want to say it wears a lot bigger than a 37. I mean, there's a 39 Black Bay right next to it. I mean, the best I can do with it off the wrist, but I don't know what makes it look so big. I don't know if it's just because it doesn't have a big dive bezel like the Black Bay, but it looks awesome. So it looks like it's completely brushed on the sides of the case. Let's get it off again. Completely brushed on the sides, but like a polished bezel around the crystal there. So yeah, nice finishing. There's a case back there with the sticker. Oh yeah, let's see what number I got. I got number 97 out of 200. If I'm reading that. Yeah, 97 out of 200. Cool. I was kind of hoping I'd get some weird number that kind of had meaning to me, but it didn't. So that's okay. I don't care. So you just pull. Let's test the crown here. It's kind of weird with it inset like that so much, but it's still definitely usable. I mean, it's only to set the time. So you can see it has hacking. I'm trying to I don't know if it has hand wind. Does anyone know? I can't tell because I have headphones on. I don't hear anything. It doesn't feel like it. It has hacking. Well, I'll have to check that. I'll probably do a full review if someone wants it. But anyway, I don't want this to go on too long, so let's we'll probably get more on the wrist. Let's get the beads of rice bracelet out and get it on that and show that. And then if anyone has any requests to like see it on anything, any other bracelets, straps, things like that, maybe I could do that for you. I have a lot of 20 millimeters straps, so we'll mess with that. So here's the beads of rice bracelet. I was really excited about this combo. I'd have to size it on me, obviously, but let's get it on. You can see it has quick release on the straps there. It even says the size, so you just really easy. You just pull that spring bar down, pull it out. Pull that spring bar down and pull it out. Let's actually let's put it on this black strap it came with for that, since that's a lot easier to get on. Actually, they're both really easy to get on because it's all quick release. But if I can find the hole, that's what she said. There we go, got it. And then the other one. Sorry, I'm kind of peeking over the camera here. Okay, got that on. Let's check it out on that. I like the how it has a black outer kind of track on the dial there, and now this black strap kind of plays with that. That is pretty slick. It would look cool on even just a black leather. Now this, I'll say this strap is really stiff. You might want to heat it up and kind of massage it a little bit, kind of get it to contour better. But looks cool to me. And that dial, maybe we can get like a cool zoom. I'm just using my phone here, so it's not amazing, but do the best I can for you. All right, let's check it out on the beads of rice here. How about a side-by-side with the Black Bay there? So you can see it's smaller, obviously. This just wears a lot bigger than you'd think, which is nice in my opinion. But I like it on my 6 3/4 inch wrist, so I think anyone around that, same wrist size will enjoy it, especially people who like little smaller watches. Let's get this off here and check out the beads of rice on it. If I can do that all without peeking over the camera too much. Let's get the plastic off of this. Nice little peel. Boom. So it's got nice brushed outer bits on the links, and then obviously the rice are polished. Same with the clasp there. It's got this little lock clasp, all machined, which is very nice. Nothing stamped. Let's see, clasp should go. And then this also has a quick release spring bar. So you can see it has the two little things to grab and compress the spring bar. I don't know how easy or hard this is going to be for me to do on camera, but I'll do my best. There we go. I think I got it. Yep, they just locked in. Okay, it's one. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, let's get the other side. Sometimes I like to open it for this. Obviously, it's not going to be fitted to my wrist. We'll get it fitted another time and get some shots. This is going to be tough to do here. I'm probably going to have to take this off camera to do. Let's see. There we go. It's actually really easy. You just pinch those, slide it in straight, locked and everything. There you go. That's nice. That's what I was excited about. This watch just has like perfect proportions. It actually has a similar kind of case shape to the Oyster, like Black ish, a little more sharp, a little thinner. Very nice. Let's get it on the wrist with the beads of rice. It's actually not, I don't need too much off there. But like I said, 6 3/4 inch wrist on the beads of rice. Looks great. So like I said, this is just a first impressions quick video. If anyone has any requests, you want to see more shots of it, I'm probably going to do a full review on it for y'all. So look out for that and you'll get more shots. But I'm in love so far. I really like the domed crystal. It just has great proportions, great contrast. The dial is just takes your eye in. I mean, you just can't stop looking at it. That texture is amazing. All right. Well, this is running on a little longer. Like I said, just a quick first impressions unboxing of the Baltic Hermétique Glacier white dial. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye-bye.